Okay, everybody, we're going to take a look at a couple of decimal multiplication problems. Here I am. First is 6.29 times 2.03, and the second one is 5.9 times 9.44. Let's take a look at the tablet. So for the first problem, we're going to treat this, we're going to go ahead and multiply it out. It doesn't matter too much how you stack these numbers. For addition, you would need to line up all the columns, but it doesn't matter for multiplication. We're just going to multiply every number by every other number and then add up the total. So we'll worry about the decimal points at the end. We're just going to treat this like 203 times 629. So we'll start multiplying. 3 times 9 is 27, carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 3 times 6 is 18. Put a 0 placeholder, and we've got zeros all across. 0, 0, 0. 0 times all those numbers is 0. And then we're going to put in 2 placeholder zeros because now we're multiplying in what would be the hundreds column. So we line up the zeros until we're under that column. And then start with 2 times 9. So 2 times 9 is 18, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 6 is 12. Now we add up all these numbers. 7, 8, 6, carry the 1. 7, 2, 1. So our number is 127,687, but surprise, the numbers we were using are much smaller than that. Just 6 times 2, basically. So that'll give you some clue as to how long the number should be. 2 times 6 is 12. So we're looking at 12 point something. And normally what you do for a decimal is count the number of places to the right of the decimal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that means we count from the right 1, 2, 3, 4 places, and we put our decimal point right here. 12.7867 is the answer, and that's what we would put in the box at WAMAP. Let's see how that works. Oops, that's not it. See if I can find it. No, I thought it was right here. There it is. All right, so 1.2, or 12.7687. Fingers crossed. Boom. So you can try one similar. You want to try this one? Here you go. 3.26 times 4.01. Let's take a look at the second question. 5.9 times 9.44. Right here. Move over here where I can see better. 5.9 times 9.44. So it doesn't matter really how you stack these numbers for multiplication. I like to put the longer numbers on top. And again, we'll treat this like 59 times 944 and then sort out the decimal places later. So 9 times 4 is 36, carry the 3. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 3 is 39, carry the 3. 9 times 9 is 81, plus 3 is 84. Placeholder 0 for, because we're starting in the tens column. So 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 more is 22, carry the 2. And then 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 more is 47. 6 and 0 is 6, 9 and 0 is 9, 4 and 2 is 6, 8 and 7 is 15, carry the 1, and 5 for 55,696. And it looks like my computer has stopped updating. Let me stop this share. And restart. I don't know why it won't refresh. It's probably going to be a smaller size board to tablet image. Yeah. Want this to be nice and big so your pictures will be in focus. All right. So 55,696 was the number we got, our preliminary answer, and that's from multiplying 59 times 944. But if we look at these numbers, it's actually more like 5 or 6. 5.9 is almost 6. Times 9, so we should get something in the neighborhood of 54 plus a little bit more. So what we do is we count the decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3 total. So down here we count from the right 1, 2, 3 decimal places. And our new decimal, let's pick a new color, goes here, 55.696. Let's go back to WAMAP and see how we did, if we can find WAMAP. There it is. All right, so 5.9 times 9.44 is 55.696. If we got everything right, it should be good. Let's see. Awesome. Okay, so that one was correct. And here's a similar one you can try working on your own. 8.2 times 4.71. See how it goes, and if you get into trouble, message me from inside Canvas. Just click this button right here, Message Instructor. And I'll try to help you within 24 hours. All right, give it a try and good luck.